What? Is some Alfredo on the refrigerator?
Huh?
That's the Danielle's. Is some Alfredo on the refrigerator?
Is your what on the refrigerator?
Extras is some Alfredo on the refrigerator. Is y'all must share it. Danielle.